Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizo Education Hub. Last video speed distance time questions can solve inland lojon video in ngay don 25 questions are there. And our channel here first time in visit Chuan, I request you to subscribe this channel. Video trying to in like ngay don ya. And our question he comment answer turin katetro. Many of you answered it ka solve nga. Its correct answer is here. Hey. Passenger train 150-meter long traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. If a man is cycling in the same direction and the same direction a relative speed can minus throw. So can find out the time taken by the train to pass the man. So time formula d by speed anichina. Distance is 150 length of the train divided by same direction ni wangin engekantidon and difference. So 36 minus 9 is 27, but it is in kilometer per hour and distance hi meter omanyo. Can answer second can find out ngaya. So kilometer per hour he can convert the meter per second can convert in kan ziachin 5 by 18 meter per second. Hemi meter le hemi meter can cancel the second kita chawang 18 po kita chawang. So 18 into 150 second divided by 27 into 5. 5 in cancelila 30 time on yatro. 1 in 9 in cancelila 2. 9 in cancelila 3. 3 in cancelila 10. And 2 into 10 is 20 second. This is correct answer. And today and continue laying our mensuration questions can solve. In this video, we will only solve two-dimensional mensuration questions. So question number 1. The difference between length and breadth of a rectangle is 23. Difference and given your rectangle pakhatami rectangle pakhatanya length and breadth. Tuna difference antia so L minus B and given 23. Difference anti wangin B minus L equals to 23 in ziak velangami dictaydon mi alonyo. A reason in shianga length always longer than breadth anitrin. Mo jimi wangchuan L minus B kan ziatur not B minus L. Voi khatma a dictaydon lonyo. B minus L koyama he kovelan exist lo shim because breadth can never exceed the length. Breadth kan ti tam chuan chemical length thani dei don omzia chumo example ta hian tam taken shalo me tenga hemi 5 meter ania hemi 2 meter ania. So length is 5, 2 is the breadth. Maseng breadth hi entinan plus 5 ti dei taila 7 ani dei tro. It means that hemi asei dei don ti hian ani dei don. Now breadth becomes 7. Maseng tuntrum hemi breadth hi breadth ani to don lo. Breadth becomes the length. And length hi ate de tro it becomes smaller. Jumi function length hi breadth ani de don. Emithili initiate tur basic ania basic initiate ngenge tur. Now can solve. Now enru. Difference between the length and breadth of the rectangle. Jumi function length minus breadth and given 23 meters. If its perimeter is 206 perimeter enge omzia. Perimeter is the sum of all the side. Okay, sum of all the side and yeah. L pani omtrina, breadth pani omtrina. Jumi function 2L plus 2B and 2 common kan lakyan 2L plus B. Yeah. Exact mo a value 2L plus B 206 and yeah 206. Now 2 in can cancel 103. Now equation pakhat and equation pani. Hetatrangian length le breadth can find out nga area of rectangle ju kan nei may dona because area is equals to engenitrin length into breadth. Length po kan nei lo breadth po kan nei lo. In order to get the value of length and breadth, then we equation panitrin can solve. Lawan nula L minus B equals to 23 and L plus B is equals to zale pathum. Hey, simply add ula minus B le plus B 0 anya. L le L 2L anya 0 ichu zia po ngai lo. Somni pathum le zale pathum 126 anya. L chu kan muder hey. L is equals to 63 kan nei tonyo. Now L is equals to 63 ni chon dule hem equation 9 in danga dule hem equation 9 in dang. Hem equation 9 kan dang. B is equals to za pathum minus L. Hey hemi L himo right hand side kan zia ka minus L kan zia kan B is equals to zale pathuma trangin L in 63 value kan da a so breadth will be 40. Now length po kan nei to breadth po kan nei to kita kan da te yang so area will be in place of length 63 kan da nga in place of breadth 40 kan da so kan multiply nga 0 2 2 5 2520 is correct answer 2520 meter square. Question number 2 means question number 27. Circular wire pakhat of diameter 42 centimeter is folded in the shape of a rectangle whose sides are in the ratio 6:5. Circular wire pakhat oma a diameter hi 42 centimeter. A diameter 42 centimeter ani chon a radius yang zat ngeni don o half of the diameter. So radius kan ne ya 21 centimeter. Enge kan question he is folded in the shape of a rectangular. Okay, is folded in the shape of a rectangle whose sides are in the ratio 6:5. Omzia chumo hemi hi heta tranghen kan kat denga mo kan chat bung kan ti chat denga so kat nuwa ngil dawin kan da ang ngil dawin kan da nga tro straight dawin kan da ang hemi total length hi engzat ngeni don hemi total length hi nothing but the circumference of circle anitrin 2 pi r anitrin hemi value of 2 pi r he can find out potilamo circumference sin kan dinotang 2 pi r hi engzat ngeni don 2 into pi is 22 by 7 and r radius is 21 cancel ila 3 kan nei dona so 2 into 22 44 trees are 132 centimeter ani chu hemi length of wire himo 132 centimeter nia maseng tu na nge kanti tur chu then kanti enge kan bend don hemi mo kanti koi zelanga ti koi nuwa kan siamanga rectangle kan siam don ti koi nuwa kanti koi zelanga rectangle kan siamang rectangular form kan siam vele masenga side se 6:5 ratio ni he so length is 6 unit and 5 is and breadth is 5 unit maseng unit wise kan ne ya a variable pakhat kanda topang now exact value gan nei do nei anto find the area antiatro rectangle area find out turin length le breadth kan nei anga ya length le breadth kan nei silaw kan nei zong chu total length of this rectangle so total length kha enge ni thin perimeter ani thin and perimeter enge formula kha 2 bracket l plus b hemi length hi ni lomi hemi length in 132 avine 132 2 in can cancel chon 66 kan nei dona so l plus b is equals to 66 l hi 6x b 5x so daila 6 plus 5 11x kan nei to 11 in can cancel anga value of x hi 6 kan nei so hey voi khat heta in danga voi khat heta in dang x in so da chinula 6 into x 6 6 is 36 length kan nei to 36 chumizwa x in 6 in dalyang so 5 6 are 30 hey 36 le 30 kan nei to now area is equals to length 36 breadth 30 0801 1080 centimeter square is correct answer so inti turchumo tiang question ahian circular form oma chumichu ngildawen inda ang ngildawa inda kan total length in nei don circumference ka in nei dona total length and kami wire ka again rectangular form in siama rectangular form inda chuan omzia nge its perimeter length ka in nei 132 and formula of perimeter nge ni thin rectangle 2 bracket l plus b and trina l 6x and given a chun breadth 5x and given a chutatang chun value of x in find out tanga and x find out nuwa 6x in danga length in nayang 5x in danga breadth in nayang chutatang chun area of rectangle in find out yang length into breadth. Question number 28. There is a rectangular tank of length 180 meter and breadth 120 meter in a circular field. If the area of the land portion of the field is 40,000 meters square, what is the radius of the field? Omziachu a circular field pakhatawma tiyan lokawa diklawe mi poila dikchuang lawa ala dikchuang lawani tlemina diktiyan acha circular field pakhat kan siama chumi chunga chuan enge a rectangular tank pakhat ti hian kan siamang. Its length is 180 meter and breadth 120 meter and given. Land portion and theatro. So land portion hi engtin nge kan denote don hey hemi hi land portion chu ani. Hey, this is the land portion. Other than the base of the tank. Other than the base of the tank ka alang thai ha uzong kha hey tanki ponami hi area of land chunimai. Land portion chunimai. Kan khoshani radius of the field antia. Radius of the field antia tro. Radius of the field anti chun hemi area po hi kan find out potangaya. So hemi area le hemi area pumpui hi engeni don area of the circle. Area of the circle kan neinga chumi chu kan equate ang pi r square in. Chuta changchon radius kan find out thayang. So tahian zia kila. Hemi area hi engeni don area of rectangular tank. It is length into breadth. So length is 180 meter. Breadth is 120 meter. So 1812 zarang zat ngani chin. Zanile som parukan itrina 0.nikanda meter square. It means that area of hemi a rectangular tank base hi 21600 nya and hemi land portion hi in belvele area of complete circle in neidon. So area of circle area of circle will be 40,000 kachu ungiven land portion. Chuan rectangular tanky base hey hemi hinya. In Belgium 616,616,00 meter square in neidon. Now area of circle formula nitrin pi r square. So pi r square. Now r square is equals to 616,000. 7 kita chaude dona chuan 22 kuta chukde dona tihian. R square mi square in the son chuan square root right hand side tihian in siamang. Chumizwa cancel thai chu cancel zel turania. Tuna 22 le 61600 hi in cancel anga 22 2s are 44 and 176 ala bang don. 22 8s are so 22 8 kan zia kang 0 pan hi tihian zia kila poimi alo kan separate tenia into 7. Now 28 hi engtin nge kan zia thai 28 kan zia dan turchu 4 into 7 kan zia kang lawan tau perfect square ve kan nitonio hai 7 into 7 enge 7 into 7 49 ania 4 po perfect square a square root 2 ania 100 hi perfect square a square root 10 ania 49 perfect square ania a square root 7 ania. So multiply with nuwa 2 into 20 2 into 10 20 nia 20 into 7 zale somli. So zale somli meter is correct answer. Zale somli meter. Question number 29. Length and breadth of a rectangle is increased by 20% le 25% can increase respectively. The increase in area of resulting rectangle engzat ngeni don. Omzia kashilang chawo. Omzia chu antirnan tihian. Hemi rectangle pakhatania. A length L, a breadth B, short trick pom thawanya one liner ang. Kamasing basic kashilang chaw. Hemi hinia. Tuna a length 20% can increase ang. Length 20% can increase chuan a say dona. So tiambok chun breadth po 25% can increase dona omzia chu. Overall it will become bigger. More increase dona size. Now L 20% can increase chuan L 100 plus 20 by 100. Now za a somni can add chuan za somni niya 0 le 0 can cancel. Anwaya 0 pakhatom chun decimal heta kanda 1.2 L. So L will become 1.2 L. Chutiambok chun a breadth hi 25% can increase chuan hey 100 plus 25 divided by 100. 100 or 25 can add chuan za somni panga. And anwaya BL panyomanyo. BL panyom chun decimal 1 le 25 in kara kanda. So breadth will become 1.25 B. Lem. Tuna console concussion hi increase in area niya. Increase in area formula enge ka means change percentage can find out dona new area mo NA minus old area by old area into 100. Hemi formula ni trina change formula ni hi. So old area hi enge old area is simply length into breadth. masing new area hi enge 1.2L into 1.25B ania. So 1.2L into 1.25B ania. Hemi solve ila exact ngani don 12 into 125 by decimal kan da son chon atnuaya BL pathum arziak ri photila poi chuang lo. So 125 12 zar exact ngani don 125 10 zar sang khazani somngania and 125 2 zar zani somngania. Om zia chu sang khat zanga. Okay, sang khat le zanga chon atnuaya BL pathum. Anuai changin BL pathum da son turin decimal khoyange kanda. Hey heta 1 le 5 in kara into LB tihia. Nang mani ponin siya decimal zo 0 pan hiyan value eng mani don lo. So simply 1.5 LB in ziyate. Now new area kan na ito. Hemi formula yan kanda. New area is 1.5 LB minus old area is LB by old area is LB into 100. Now LB heta poma LB heta poma common in ladeyang achunga nge bang don 1.5 minus 1 anwaya LB into 100. LB le LB in cancela 1.5 atang in 1 in page 0.5 bang dona hemi 100 then multiply la decimal in da so nga achunga mi 0 le y mi 0 in cancela. So 15 chu 50% is correct answer of this question. And in the one trick pom thawa 20% increase 25% increase so plus A plus B plus A plus B by 100 successive formula. So A increase throw length increase so plus 20 breadth po increase plus 25 and length exact nge 20 breadth exact nge 25 by 100. So 20 le 25 can add jon 45 ania. Somni le somni panga kan multiply jon zanga ania divided by 100. BL pani le BL pani kan cancela 45 le 5 to 50%. Again 50% is correct answer. Question number 30. The ratio of length of the parallel sides of trapezium is 3:2. The shortest distance between them is 15 centimeter. If the area of trapezium is 450, sum of the length of the parallel sides. Ama sabera chuan a diagram tahan kaziak patanga trapezium in shiyanga tro. Hey, parallel sides. These are the parallel sides and shortest distance yang zatmon given a 15 centimeter and given a and parallel side length ratio upon given a 3:2. It means this is 3 and this is 2. Okay. Variable in that x le x because the ratio anomania 3:2. So simply 3x le 2x in that ato izok 2x in zia kanga aseizok hi 3x in zia kang tihian. Now area ungiven a 450 centimeter square. Hey, area ungiven a area of trapezium ungiven a zalile somnga centimeter square. Masing apoilo unity chula dari lawila ashiat lutuk hey sum of length anti chon simply centimeter intiang area anti chon centimeter square volume anti chon centimeter cube michu quite obvious. Area of trapezium again ithin nang manin in shia chon chal tuka in shiat lopon apoilo hey half into hemi distance between two parallel sides chuchu h in kan dinot mayang chuan bracket kan dale thina sum of the two opposite sides say 2x le 3x sum of opposite sides 2x plus 3x hemi value hi exact mo question and given as zali sum gan given and h pon given in your hey shortest distance 15 and given heta trangian value of x in find out tanga voikat heta indang and voikat 3x indang anwain bel dang because sum of the length anti tuna 15 in can cancel chon 13 ya hemi 2 hi kita kan da chode yanga so 2x plus 3x is equals to 2 into 30 that is 60. Now 2x plus 3x is 5x x 5 in cancel chuan 12 allow chuaka tuna heta voi khadaula length 1 kan neyang 2 into 12 is 24 voi khat heta indanga length 2 kan neyang 3 into 12 that is 36. Sum of lengths and theatro so 24 le 36 yang zat nge 60 60 centimeter is correct answer. Question number 31. Video hi trying to in like nge donyo. Area of equilateral triangle is 9 root 3. Equilateral triangle in shiyang atro all three sides are equal and an inkar angle hi angzat nge 60 degree anitrin equilateral triangle. Area formula hey area of equilateral triangle engenitrin root 3 by 4 side square or root 3 by 4 a square diyan kanzia kanga. Hemi value hi question an given 9 root 3. 9 root 3. Now helama po root 3 yoma helama po root 3 yoma kan cancel the. Anuai mi 4 hi right hand side akan da velle 4 into 9 and 4 into 9 is 36. Now a square value is 36 and each more. A hi angzat ngani don square root of 36. It means 6 centimeter hemi hi aside length kan nahi to 666 kan nahi. Kan question hi length of the side antilawa length of the median anti. Length of the median anti chan mo hey antaw. If this is 6 hemi hi median ani don niya hey hemi 90 degree. And if whole length was 6 aha fi angzat ngani don 3 ani don. Hemi length hi find out turin Pythagoras theorem. Nay kan denote lo kango ABC in kan denote or ABCD palo A B C le D in kan denote. Hey hypotenuse kan ya 6 base kan ya 3 maseng a median hi angzat ngani don engtin nge kan find out don AD square is equals to AB square plus BD square. AD square kan ya 6 that is 6 square. AB square kan ya 3 that is 3 square. Maseng BD square kan lo so BD square hi diyan kan zia kriya. 6 square angzat ngani train 36 chuan 3 square angzat ngani train 9. Hemi 9 hi hela mainda payde ngam in danga so 36 satranga 9 pay is equals to BD square. 36 to 9 in pay chan mo 27 achuakang and hetan kan zia. If BD square is 27, so BD will be root 27. 27 is perfect square anilo. Maseng perfect square angin kan siyamang. 27 hi 9 into 3 kan thai and 9 hi perfect square ani hiyo. Chumi function its square root is 3 and achungami 3 hi irrational number ani hi. So 3 root 3 is correct answer. Mi question hi we dang po thawa. Question number 32. An equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeter. And each one equilateral tihian 6 centimeters mila. Hey, hela mapoyan 6 ania, hemipoi 6 ania, and hemipoi 6 ania. After that, has its corners cut off. Corners can cut off. They don't need to hemicorner le, hemicorner le, hemicorner. He can cut to form a regular hexagon. Yes, regular hexagon chu kan nei cut nuwa mo ai hemi hi in mutenga. Hey, regular hexagon chu kan nei chiang lu tu kan hi. Area of this regular hexagon. Area engzat ngeni don. Jumi turjon concept pahadenshia tangaya, and that concept is hey. Hemi is 6 tiro hemi pumpu his side is 6 and each one more 3 equal division kan siam chuan hemi length hi engzat ngeni don hemi hi engzat ngen hemi hi engzat nge reilote tan x azumula hemi poi x ani dona hemi poi x ani dona a viable commentary extra and hemi value is 6 ani 6 in ziaka 3 in cancel chuan x is equals to 2. It means hemi poi 2 anya hemi pohi 2 anya hemi pohi 2 anya and hemi 2 ni chuan enge a omzia hemi pohi 2 hemi pohi 2 hemi pohi 2 2 vek ani don kei mani regular hexagon b kan draw ngai hemi pohi 2 ni dona hemi pohi 2 ni dona hemi pohi 2 ni dona. This will also be 2 this 2 and 2 mot hian kan siamang 2 2 2 2 2 2 kan nei to. Now what is the area of regular hexagon in Shia M? Regular hexagon area is 6 into root 3 by 4 a square anichina. A reason in Shia M. Achanju regular hexagon pakhata hian mo hein mutayam equilateral triangle paruk a omtrin khatni thum li nga le ruk chumi wang chuan 6 kan multiply a chuan root 3 by 4a square now in du chuan 2 in cancel la hey ti hian so 3 root 3 by 2a square now a square in kimi 6 ki in da velangeo a chu 2 alom 2 na kan regular hexagon side mo so 2 square in zia kang now 2 square is what 4 ti hian 2 in hemi 4 in cancel chuan 2 bang dona 2 into 3 ang zat nge 6 root 3 so 6 root 3 is correct answer of this question in shathiam tro question number 33 3 coins of same size radius and given a 1 centimeter are placed on tiang question himo AAO alo chuak thainio chuak thai chiang lu dugania so 3 coins of same size radius 1 centimeter are placed on a table such that each of them touches the other two omzia chu tihian kan siamang mo hemi circle pakhatania hemi second circle ania hemi hi third circle ani hemi hi third circle ani tuna kan question hi anin siveka tro the area of enclosed area enclosed by the coins antia area enclosed by the coin in shiam eng area nge hemi area hi asen hi hemi area hi enge what is this area hemi area ber hi ni kan find out to hemi area hi find out turin amma sabera thil pakhachu in nei ngai le in shia tangai in ti da dur chumo hemi le an center hi enjoy nang an center enjoy nanga and thil pakhatin shia tur chu this is radius ai nang veganyo and tinanimi cheng khathir le cheng khathir ani chuan and if we are joining all the centers always enge equilateral triangle kan nei don and tinan cheng ni thir ti hian kan da chon mo in sik vek chuan ami poi equilateral triangle ma saying if this is 1 rupee coin this is 2 rupee coin and this is 10 rupee coin and uncenter kan join chuan voi khatma equilateral triangle anni don lo hemi thilishiaula ngadinga tun trum kai mani case a hian equilateral triangle because same size in huam same size and radius pon given 1 centimeter hemi 1 centimeter ani chuan hemi radius poi 1 centimeter ani ang chu hemi radius poi 1 hemi poi 1 hemi poi 1 hemi poi 1 and now inti dantur hemi question hi insol dantur kashilang chawa class 9 le 10 in zirve tonga hemi area asen enclosed area find out turin mo hemi equilateral triangle atrangin thadain kan drawang equilateral triangle atrangin enge kan peyangai don kan pe tur chu hemi part hi hemi le eng hemi these three sectors kan pe chuan kan nei tur chu enclosed area ka kan nei don simply enge kan ziang ti hian adumin area of equilateral triangle atrangin enge kan pe don hemi area hi engtin nge kan find out ang formula omasin formula is theta by 360 into pi r square maseng tiang hi pathuma ni lo miom khat ni thum chumi wang chuan into 3 ti hian kan ziang ai don antuna theta hi question an given lawa but kai manin kan shia equilateral triangle angle engzat nge ni tren theta is 60 degree chumi wang chon ta hian 60 degree kan zia kan and 60 degree le 360 degree can cancel chuan how much 6 ania 3 in hemi 60 can cancel chuan 2 ania and radius kan nei chiang lu tuk radius is 1 so r square in 1 square kan zia kanga and 1 square engzat nge 1 an shin hemi pum pui hi chu a value engzat nge shin pi by 2 chutiang bok chuan area of equilateral triangle hi engzat nge o root 3 by 4 a square minus pi by 2 hemi pi by 2 ita han ka ziak to now a ungiven side of equilateral triangle hi ungiven lautro ma saying 1 plus 1 hemi hi ni mailo and this is the side of the equilateral triangle 1 plus 1 chumi wang chuan a in 2 kan dang and 2 square hi engzat nge ni don 2 square is 4 so 4 root 3 by 4 minus pi by 2 4 le 4 in cancel anga root 3 minus pi by 2 hemi AAO alo chuak thei tiang caution ni chance tam lu duganyo root 3 minus pi by 2 hey option B is correct answer option B omzia chu second option is correct answer tuna question number 34 hey 4 equal circle antito tunchum hemi question ahen 3 circle anetro tunchum 4 equal circle ania drawn on the four corners of square acha square pakhat siam photilamo ti hian square pakhat kan siam photanga ti hemi square angin ngai ula chumi zwa touch each other externally ti hian pakhat ti hian pakhat and atopa ti hian pakhat now question himo again area of portion between the square and the four sectors anti omzia chu hemi area bok hi kan find out angai don kalau muang chawai hemi area bok hi hetami a engin in muthelo mi tenga kan mangle menga dang ashing hi kan mangle hemi area hi ne kan find out to between the square and sector of these four circles say hemi area hi kan find out angai hemi area maseng hemi area hi find out turin mo hemi area hi find out turin engtin nge enge kan ti thai kan ti dan tur chu again kan sei liang vai kha thai hemi square atangin enge kan peidon hemi square atangin these four sectors in muam hemi le what to bera hey hemi these four sectors hi kan pe yang ai don ma seng pe turin values po kan nei ngai lo values kan nei reng lo mai radius of 4 centimeter antia chumi wang chon this is 4 this will also be 4 this is 4 this will also be 4 it means what is the side of square chu 4 plus 4 that is 8 so asenin kan zia kang hey anti dan tur chu area of square atangin enge kan peidon sector of hemi circle ki ama sabira tiang hi kan peyang amo hei hemi sector hi quadrant of circle hi kan peyang a formula enge khak chinahan kan zia ka theta by 360 into pi r square maseng hemi sector hi pakhat che om lawnio hei pali a omania chumi wang chuan heta hian multiplied by 4 kan zia ka and last question akhan angle 60 gan la because equilateral triangle maseng hemi square ani hi and square a hey corner angle hi engzat nge 90 degree ani don hey mean muam hemi angle hi 90 degree that's why theta ain heta hian theta 90 degree kan lang 90 degree and area of square hi engzat mo side kan nei to 4 plus 4 8 chumi wang chon area of square will be a square side square means 8 square that is 64 cancel leila 19 can cancel chon 4 time ania 4 in 4 can cancel dai now radius and given your radius is 4 centimeter so zia kila fresh devin 64 minus pi and 4 square 4 square is 16 so 16 pi tihian kan ziak thai 64 is 16 into 4 kan ziak thai tero minus 16 pi now heta po 16 oma heta po 16 oma simply 16 common in la deya common lak nuwa bracket chunga nge 16 bracket 4 minus pi question number 35 a copper wire is bent in the shape of square of area 81 centimeter square omzia chu hemi copper wire pakhat and it is in the form of square its area is engzat nge hemi area himo area is 81 centimeter square this is the area of chumi square chuni area of square and each one aside can find out thayam hemi side length can find out thayam thai chiang do because area is what side square and side square value 81 and given a So side enge value ni don square root of 81. So square root of 81 is 9 centimeter. Okay, so 9 hetmi 9 ani dona hemi point 9 ani dona hemi point 9 ani dona hemi point 9 ani dona. Chuanin if the same wire is bent in the form of a semicircle, bent and tileta. Chumi wangjon ama sabera chon hemi tichat dei chinula. In tichatanga chon ngil dewin indang straight dewin indang straight dewin inda hian straight dewin inda chon a perimeter in nei don a length in nei don. What is the length? Hemi 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 36 centimeter ani chu a length. Now hemi wire here in the form of semicircle, a semicircular form in kan siya mangaya. The radius of the semicircle, hemi radius hi exact ngani don. Hemi question is all tay turin circumference of semicircle in siya tangay. And what is the circumference of semicircle in siya? It is 2 pi r divided by 2. Achan chu half circle aniya. So kan kat pot chumizwa heta po radius oma heta po radius omaniyo. That's why r panila yomani r plus r 2r. So 2r. It means that pi r plus 2r anitrin. Pi r plus 2r anitrin. Heta trang hian radius to find out tur. Its total length hi bent ma khan 36 centimeter nitro bent nuwa po 36 centimeter bokan yang chu. Now pi is 22 by 7 and heta po ara ma common la chuak de ula po na achunga nge bang don 22 by 7 plus 2 is equals to 36. Now 7 into 2 exact 14. So achunga 14 in danga anwaya 7. 22 plus 14 exact 36. Now helama po 36 oma helama po 36 oma 7 kita chaude. So radius is equals to 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter is correct answer. Hemi question in mani in try ngenge turini. If the length and breadth of rectangle are in the ratio 3:2 and perimeter pon given a area of rectangle in find out turani. Komena in ziak ngenge answer ka in lo da ngenge don yo. Like hi video in ana. Thank you so much. Next video akain mule chaudani. And yes, one more thing, speed distance time question ka in len lo chun video ka in len lo chuan questions in la sol lo chun in solve nge don ya. Thank you.